Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new tutorial video here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Windows updated files. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Windows key, Windows Start key, and right click it here and go to File Explorer, and after that go to this PC and select the folder that your Windows is installed. Mine is C drive. Click it to open, and now here you can see the Windows option. Go to the Windows option here, and here scroll down a little bit and you can see the option software distribution. Click it, and now click the download option here, and this is all the Windows updated files. You can and Control A and select all and just press delete. After just press delete it and click continue, and your updated files will be deleted. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.